Hey everyone, this is Financial Literacy 101, and today I'll be giving you a quick update about stimulus. Now, we understand that the Senate took a extended time off, but they're back. And on Friday, Senator Majority Leader Mitch McConnell acknowledged that Congress is taking a careful look at another coronavirus relief package to help the millions of Americans, households, and businesses that have been devastated by this pandemic. Now, we need to understand while GOP lawmakers balked Democrats' initial proposal for additional stimulus, McConnell's comments indicate that his side of the aisle is open to one more final bill, as he puts it, quote unquote, that will likely yet again include direct stimulus payment to Americans. Now, of course, Democrats suggest bigger payments, but the GOP, aka Republicans, hints at a more narrow scope. Now, if the Democrats' $3 trillion HEROES Act proposal is anything to go by, the next round of stimulus checks cut by the government will be even fatter than the first. Like the CARES Act. The HEROES Act calls for direct payments of up to $1,200 for Americans earning up to $75,000 per year and $2,400 per couple earnings up to $150,000 annually. But it also would boost payments for families with children and other dependents to the tune of $1,200 per dependent for up to 3 dependents. That would mean a married couple earning less than $150,000 annually with 3 or more children or dependents in their household will be eligible to receive $6,000 for the government. But such generous payments appear unlikely to draw support of Republicans on Capitol Hill. Now, McConnell himself noted that any new stimulus bill will be narrow-crafted and designed to help us where we are a month from now, not where we were 3 months ago. So, to sum that all up, we're looking for a stimulus package that may take place and be executed in 1 month's time frame. So this came out yesterday, ladies and gentlemen, as of June 1st. So we're not looking for another stimulus package, another stimulus payment until July 1st. So hopefully, now that we have the Republicans actually thinking about, actually looking at into another stimulus payment, it's looking more likely that we will receive one more final stimulus payment for at least $1,200. So there you have it. That's some good news for us, good news for the American people, so we can go out and pay for those bills and pay for those items that we need to help us and our families. All right, everyone, learn money and be inspired. You guys take care of yourself and have a great and wonderful day. I'm out.